Good day, beautiful people. I am Justina and welcome to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make this nice little tiny ones, lotion bars, which are so comfortable and so perfect when you're on the go, when you're traveling, when you're going to the gym, when you're going to swim, to the beach, I mean literally anywhere. They're very cool. So this recipe, it's made for your bedtime with special ingredients which I was playing around and I choose. So what we're gonna need a beeswax, all natural, all organic beeswax. Beeswax, it's very good. It hydrates, it softens, conditions and calms your skin. By the way, all the ingredients, all the benefits for this ingredients you can find in the description box below. So the next one is the shea butter. We all know that the shea butter is the king of all the butters. It's a very good moisturizer. It's hydrating, moisturizing the skin as well. It's full of rich vitamins like A, E, and F, and it suits all kind of skin types. Is it dry? Is it oily? It does not matter because it does balances the oil production within your skin as well. It does not clog your skin pores. That's very important. Another one is we're using the sweet almond oil, which has no smell. It's the color. It's a yellow, pale yellow color, and it does absorbs very fast on your skin. So while the shea butter does not clog your skin pores, the almond butter cleans it while you sleep. So another ingredient which I have here is essential oil, lavender essential oil. I do believe I do not need to introduce this oil to you because we all know it has a lot of benefits, like, you know, the main ones is probably calming and calming your mind and relaxing your body, as I say, you know. As well, it's very good for your skin as it fights all the harmful bacteria. Another one, it's my new favorite one. I discovered only recently. It's bergamot essential oil. It's part of the citrus family essential oils. It's not only smells very nice and refreshing, but it's very good for your skin as well, like as lavender essential oil. Bergamot essential oil is disinfectant, it has antibacterial properties, but as well, whoever has problems with a cracked skin or eczema or some other skin issues, the bergamot essential oil, it's very good for your skin. So we're gonna need all these ingredients, and as well to this, we're gonna use the silicone ice cube tray, then a glass breaker, where we're gonna put it in the pot with some water. We're gonna put it and then we're gonna heat it up and mix all our ingredients in it. So let's go and make it. So I have here all my equipment and ingredients. I have a pot with boiling water where I'm gonna put my glass breaker to melt my beeswax. So I'm gonna add 35 grams of the beeswax into the glass breaker, and I'm gonna put in boiling water to melt it. When the beeswax is almost melted, I'm gonna add now 35 grams of the shea butter, and I'm gonna leave it for a minute or two to melt it. So when the shea butter and the beeswax it's almost melted, I will add my sweet almond oil. I'm adding 35 grams of it. So for this recipe I'm using all equal parts of the sweet almond, shea butter and a beeswax. So when everything is completely melted, I'm gonna just mix it up a bit and I will let it to cool off for a minute or two before I add my essential oils. So when everything is cooled off, I will add now lavender essential oil. For this recipe, I'm adding about 20–25 drops of lavender essential oil. And now I will add the bergamot essential oil. I'm adding as well 20–25 drops of bergamot essential oil. So for this recipe, I am using the same equal amounts of these two essential oils. So I'm just gonna mix it up a bit, everything, and I'm just gonna pour them into the silicone mold trays. So I'm gonna leave everything now to stay for an hour or so. So guys, the hour has gone and look at here. I have them here. They are so solid, and yeah, they just literally dropping themselves out. So I love the smell. I like the smell, yes. It's very nice smell, it's straight away melting in my hands. Yes, it's very nice. So how I'm carrying them around, I'm just taking a piece of paper, okay? It's a thin piece of paper, it's not a toilet paper, it's not a newspaper paper, just a nice piece of paper. And I'm just putting them inside. That's it, and that's how I'm carrying them around. They never melted for me. So I hope it's not gonna melt it for you. If you see that the consistency, it's too soft for you, add more of the Beeswax. If it's too hard, add more of the Shea Butter or any other oil, yes? So yeah, very nice. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and I see you next week. Thank you.